Next one is exercise 1.5. In this, determine the value of the following. That is what? Log 1 by 16 base 2. Log 1 by 16 base 2. We have to find this value. Now, it is equals to what here? Log 1 by 16. That is log 1 by 16 is written as in powers of 2 is what? 2 to the power of 4. Here base is what? 2. Now it is equals to log 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Now it is equals to what here? Which law we have to use here? Laws of exponents. 1 by a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of minus m. In this way, 1 by 2 to the power of 4 means here a to the power of minus m. That is what? 2 to the power of minus 4. And here base is what? 2. Now, here it is what? Log 2 to the power of minus 4 and base 2. Now, which law here we have to use here? Log x to the power of n to the base a is equals to what here? N into log x to the base a. That is, here it is in the form of log x to the power of n to the base a. Now it equals to what? N into log x base a. Here nth place value is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 into log x to the base a. That is minus 4 into log 2 base 2 here. Okay. Now it is what? Minus 4 into log 2 base 2. Now what is the value of here? Log a to the base a is equals to what? 1. In this way, log 2 to the base 2 is equals to what? 1. That is, it is equals to minus 4 into 1. Now it is equals to what? Minus 4. That is, we are writing 1 by 16 as what? In powers of 2, that is 2 to the power of 4. Now it is what here? 1 by 2 to the power of 4. That is 1 by a to the power of m form. Now it is a to the power of minus m. Now it is what? Log 2 to the power of minus 4 base 2. Now it is in the form log x to the power of n base a equals to n into log x to the base a. Here n value is what? Minus 4. That is minus 4 into log x base a means x value 2 and a value is also 2. Now it is 4 into log 2 base 2. Now it equals to minus 4 into log a to the base a equals to 1. In the same way, log 2 to the base 2 equals to 1. Minus 4 into 1 is equals to what? Minus 4. Next one is log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. How do you find this value here? Log 8 by 27. This 8 by 27 is written as what here? 8 means 2 cube and 27 means here 3 cube. By here 2 cube by 3 cube, here base is what? 2 by 3. Now it is equals to log, it is in the form of what? Exponential law is what? A by b whole to the power of m equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. This is what? Exponents law. In the same way here, log 2 cube by 3 cube means here you can write this as what? Log 2 by 3 whole cube. Here base is 2 by 3. In the same way here log, here it is what? Log 2 by 3 whole cube and base is 2 by 3. That is here which law we have to use here, since log x to the power of n to the base a is equals to what? N into log x to the base a. N into log x to the base a. That is here nth value is what here? Log 2 by 3 whole cube. That is nth place value is 3 here. X value 2 by 3 and a value is also 2 by 3. Now it is equals to here n into, that is 3 into log x to the base a. That is log 2 by 3. Base is also 2 by 3. Now it is equals to 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. That is here, since log a to the base a is equals to 1, from this here log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 is also equals to 1. That is, its value is what? It is equals to 3. Next one is, write the following expression as log n and find the value. In this first one is log 2 plus log 5. That is log 2 plus log 5. Already we know that log xy is equals to what? Log x plus log y. Now log 2 plus log 5 is in the form of what? Log x plus log y. Now how you write this as? If you want to write it as log n form, now log 2 plus log 5 is equals to log xy, that is log 2 into 5. Now it is equals to what? Log 10. That is log 10 1 means log 10 base 10. That is, it is equals to what? 1. Now second one is what here? Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. That is log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Now once you see, first write it as log 10 plus, this is what? 2 log 3. That is, here we have to use which one? Which condition here? Log x to the power of n is equals to what? N into log x. N into log x. That is here 2 into log 3 means what? Log x to the power of n. That is 3 to the power of 2 minus log 2. Log 10 plus log 3 power 2 minus log 2. Now it is equals to log 10 plus log 3 square. 3 square means 9. Log 9 minus log 2. Now here it is what? Log 10 plus log 9. Now it is in the form of what here? Log xy form. That is log x plus log y form. That is log x plus log y means log x into y. That is log 10 into 9 minus log 2 is as it is. Now here it is what? Log 10 into 9. 90 minus log 2. Now it is in the form of what? Log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. Log x minus log y is equals to what here? Log x by y. Log x minus log y equals to log x by y. Here in x place value is 90 and y place value is 2. Log 90 minus log 2 is equals to what? Log 90 by 2. Log 90 by 2. That is, here cancellation is what? 2 1 ja 2. 245 ja 90. That is, this value is what? Log 45. In this model, take these three sums as homework. That is, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 and 3 log 4 base 64 and 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Next one is, evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y if it is given x equals to log 3 base 2 and y equals to log 5 base 2. See first one here, log 15 base 2. Log 15 base 2. Here it is given what? X values and y values, and we have to evaluate these values in terms of what? X and y. Log 15 base 2 means it is written as what here? Log How you write this 15 in product of prime factors? That is log 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Here base is what? 2. Now it is equals to log 3 into 5 base 2. That is log xy to the base a is equals to what? Log x base a plus log y base a. Log x base a plus log y base a. That is log, here log 3 into 5, that is x into y, and base is what? In a place 2, that is log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Okay, now it is equals to what? What are the given values here? In log 3 base 2 place value is what here? X. That is in this place write it as x plus your log 5 base 2. That is log 5 base 2 value is what here? Y. That is x plus y. This value is equals to what? X plus y. Next do this log 7.5 base 2 and log 60 base 2 as homework. And next see this fourth one. That is fourth one is log 6750 and base 2. That is here first we have to write this 6750 as what? Product of prime factors. That is once here 6750. That is 2 3s are 6 and here also 2 3s are 6 here. Now here remaining is what? 1, that is 15. That is 2 7s are 14 and remaining 1, 2 5s are 10. Now here next with 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. And next 3 3s are what? 9. Here remaining is what? 2 here. That is here 3 7s are 21 and remaining is here 1. That is 3 5s are 15. And next also with 3. 3 1s are 3. Now 3 2s are 6. Here remaining 1. 3 5s are what? 15. Next with what? 5. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2. 5 5s are what? 25. Now 5 5s are 25. That is 6750 means it is written as what here? 6750 equals to, it is written as 2 is only one time, that is 2 into, and 3 is how many times here? 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 times. That is 3 to the power of 3 into, and 5 is how many times here? 3 times, that is 5 to the power of 3. That is 6750 place you write it as log 2 into 3 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3 and base is what here? 2. Now it is equals to what? Here same formula. Log x into y base a equals to log x base a plus log y base a. That is here log 2 base 2 plus log 3 to the power of 3 base 2. And next one is what? If it is 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, whatever it may be, we have to use here plus only, we are adding. That is log 5 to the power of 3 base 2. Now it is equals to what here? Log 2 base 2. That is log a base a value is what? It is equals to 1. In the same way it is equals to 1. Now plus log 3 power 3 base 2. Now it is in the form of what here? Log x to the power of n to the base a is equals to n into log x to the base a. That is here 3 into log 3 base 2. 3 into log 3 base 2. And here also same form. Here 3 into log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2. It is equals to what here? 1 plus here 3 into log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2 value is what here? X. 1 plus 3x plus here. And next one is what? 3 into log 5 base 2. That is log 5 base 2 is value is what here? Y. That is here 3x plus 3y. That is 1 plus 3x plus 3y. Once here, first log 6750 base 2 here. First we are writing this 6750 as product of prime factors. If you write this in prime factors, it is written as what? Log 2 into 3 power 3 into 5 power 3 base 2. Now it is what? Log x to the log xy to the base a form. That is log x base a plus log y base a. That is log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. Log 2 base 2, that is log a to the base a equals to 1. In that form, log 2 base 2 value is equals to what here? 1. And next one is here log 3 power 3 base 2, that is log x to the power of n base a equals to what? N into log x to the base a. That is here in nth place here value is what? 3, and x value is also 3 and a value is 2, that is n into, that is 3 into log x to the base a, that is log 3 to the base 2. In the same way here also what? 3 into log 5 to the base 2. Now it is equals to what? 1 plus 3 into log 3 base 2 value is x, that is 3 into x plus here log 5 to the base 2 value is what? Y, that is 1 plus 3x plus 3y.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.